Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. For a little while now, I've been looking for a recipe that my meat intolerant friends and subscribers can enjoy. Nothing really appealed to me because I'm going to eat it too. But I think I found one right here on the internet. And it is called Sesame Garlic Ramen Noodles. When I first seen it, I'm like, ramen noodles? I'll eat ramen noodles every once in a while, but I don't know. But when I read through it, it sounds pretty good. I'm going to change it up just a little bit. But let me get the camera over here and we'll show you what the ingredients are, and then we'll take it from there. What we got for ingredients wise, if I read the instructions right, we got some oyster sauce. It called for sliced ginger. I don't have sliced ginger. I'm not going to buy a big ginger root if I don't enjoy the recipe and stuff. So I'm going to use ground ginger because I have that in the cupboard. Got some rice wine vinegar, some minced garlic, some sesame oil, some soy sauce, and 3 packs of ramen noodles. And I'm going to add broccoli to mine. But the recipe just calls for everything else here without the broccoli. Once I taste everything, I'm thinking that you could probably add shrimp to this, or some beef, or some chicken, or possibly even some pork. And it would be pretty good, because I like all them ingredients back there. So let me get some stuff going here, and we will get to cooking. Alright y'all, first thing the instructions say to do is get your ramen noodles boiling. It says to open them up and disregard the flavor pack. So that's what we're going to do. And it says to put it into boiling water, but I don't have boiling water. When I do ramen noodles, I just put them in water and bring them to a boil and cook them. So that's how I'm going to do them. Now we'll save those flavor packs for something else. I'm sure I'll need them sometime or another. Alright, got those in the pan there. Get some water going in here. There should be plenty of water. Fire this bad dog up. Alright, now, in the instructions it says in a large pot, oh, sorry, that's the cooking for the noodles. Next one, it says in a small bowl, whisk together the soy sauce, oyster sauce, rice vinegar, brown sugar, and chili sauce, and water. So let's start out with the soy sauce, and it calls for a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. We got our soy sauce right here. Pop the little shaker top thing off. There's the 1/4 cup of soy sauce. And then, let's see, 1/4 cup of oyster sauce. So far it sounds pretty good. I like all the ingredients. So, there's that. I might need to get a spoon or something to get all these out of here. Let's see here. Oyster sauce, rice wine vinegar, and we need a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. Let me grab something to set this thing here on. Alright. See, a tablespoon rice wine vinegar. I'm actually going to dump it in this little measuring cup to kind of rinse this measuring cup out. So swirl that around. Try to get most of that goodness out of there. Which it didn't work very well, but hey, oh well. Let's see here. Chili sauce. How much chili sauce do we need? Chili sauce. 1/2 to 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. And I'm using sriracha. Sriracha! And that's about 3/4, so. Alright. And then, is there anything else? What else do we need? We need the brown sugar and 1/4 cup of water, right? It says 1/4 cup of water. Yeah, 1/4 cup of water too. So, alright. I'm going to get the brown sugar here. I need to find another measuring cup, so, because that one has stuff in it. So, let me grab that, and I'll bring y'all right back. Alright, y'all. I got the brown sugar here. Put that in there. Grab my water. I'll do 1/4 cup of water. Alright, there. That's all those ingredients. So, got my whisk here. I'll whisk all that together. Do, whiskey, whiskey, whisk. Alright, we got that whisked together. Now the next step is to, in a large skillet, heat sesame oil and heat sesame oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Stir in the garlic and the ginger until fragrant, about a minute. And it says pour in the bowl of seasoning, simmer 3 to 4 minutes. And it says stir in the cooked ramen noodles evenly coat in sauce about 3 minutes. And it says to garnish with green onions and sesame seeds, which I do not have. Don't keep those on hand, but I'm going to go ahead and grab the skillet. We're going to get it on here. We're going to get the sesame oil warming up, and then we'll add our ground ginger and our garlic to it. And we'll bring y'all back. Alright, y'all. I got my sesame oil starting to warm up there. It said 4 cloves of garlic, minced. I'm a garlic fan, so I'm just going to guesstimate with this chopped garlic. Y'all know me. I love garlic, so little's good, more's better. And then it says, I don't know how to judge this ginger, so we're just going to add some in. Little's good, more's better. Sounds good to me. So, alright. It says just to warm that up until it's fragrant. Get all that garlic off it. I guess once it starts sizzling, we'll add our rest of our other sauce. So, and I don't have a wok. I wish I did, but I say I wish I did. I don't cook a lot of Asian food, so wok would probably be wasteful for me. So, it ain't fragrant yet. We'll bring it back when it is fragrant. Alright, y'all. We got that looking fragrant, so I'm whisking up my sauce mixture here. Gonna add that to the bowl. Get all that goodness out of that bowl. It says to warm that up. And by the way, I did take my noodles off the stove there a little bit ago. So, and I did steam the broccoli, so it's hot. Let that come to a simmer. And then we'll add our noodles and our broccoli and let that simmer. So, come on and simmer. Smells delicious. Make sure y'all can see. Yeah, you can see. I'm thinking this would really be good with some shrimp or maybe some beef. Alright. That's starting to bubble there, so we're going to take our noodles here. Get a big old clunk of them in there. It says to coat the noodles well. So, coat the noodles well. Ooh, y'all, that's smelling delicious. So, alright, let me grab my broccoli here. Grab my broccoli. Throw that in there. Alright. Spin that up. That broccoli all coated good. I don't know about you all, but that does look good. Ooh. Broccoli escaping. No, escaping broccoli. Alright, y'all. I'm going to let that simmer for a few and then get it plated up. We'll bring y'all back. Alright, y'all. There you got it. Got the sesame garlic ramen. And I added some broccoli to mine. So, give it a try here. That's pretty good. Try to get some more of them noodles. I approve. That's bear approved. Might have went a little bit heavy on the ginger. It's okay. I like ginger. I like garlic. No worries. So, but I think if I do make it again, I will get some ginger root and I will slice it up and everything. I think some beef in there would be awesome. So there you have it all. Simple, easy meal. We're using ramen noodles. Don't turn your nose up at them before you try it. You know, that I think that's going to be a keeper recipe. So, thank you all for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. New to the channel, please ring that bell, subscribe. You get the cooking videos, you get the mechanical videos, tractor pulling videos, basically in life in general videos too. You know, so appreciate y'all hanging out with me. No beverage of the day. The only thing I got is chocolate milk in the fridge. And y'all seen me drink chocolate milk before, so, and I'm gonna drink it straight out of the jug because I'm single and I can. Anyways, I digress. Thank you all for watching. Catch you all on the next one, and as always, bear appetit.